Today I have a product to review that's a little different than what we do on this channel. As everyone knows, I followed VISE company sitting out a VISE for review, and they were so pleased with it they wanted me to review a few more. One of them was this woodworking VISE. I told them, I said, I don't have a place to mount it, but I can do a desktop review on it. And I told them, actually, the desk in this video I built myself. About 30 years ago, my first experience working with wood was over 50 years ago. It was my first full-time job. But I want to show everyone some of the benefits of this vise. This is the forward M90K 9-inch woodworking vise. It has a PSI rating of 60,000 PSI, and it's out of industrial iron. You can see this is heavy duty. It's made to mount up underneath your workbench. And I'm going to turn it over and show a few of the details about it. But first I'm going to show everyone it's got a bench dog in it. And for those that don't know, this is where you can raise it up and use it on your workbench. Now I'm going to turn it over so everyone can see just how sturdy this is. Heavy duty as can be. And it's got something a lot of people don't know about. Push this little lever down over here on the side. You can move it up without having to crank it all the way in and out. And we'll turn around this way just a little bit so everyone can see how nice it moves. This can be used for professional use, home shop use. Weighs over 36 pounds. I don't think you'll find one any heavier than this. And this is quality made product. The sawtooth screw in here has 5,500 pounds of clamping pressure. A lot of our viewers do like to work with wood. This would have been handy for me about 30 years ago when I built this desk. These people are really great, and they've been in business since 1950. Go to their website and pick out the vise you need. They have several woodworking vices besides this one. Like their Facebook page, like the Bearded Sharpener Facebook page. Subscribe to this channel, share the video with your friends, and tell all your friends about the channel. Hit the like button and the notification bell. Till next time.